Hello everyone, I really want to recommend you this Firewood rack. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor. It's very easy to assemble and have a great material, and it's sturdy and durable. You can move the pieces, you can change this and put it here or maybe higher, but I do it in this way because I like it. So I 100% recommend this product. It's a must-have for your firewood.
It's heavy duty and built to last, with a solid frame that easily holds a large amount of firewood. The adjustable design makes it super versatile, fitting neatly into different spaces. I love that it comes with wood hooks, which are great for keeping everything organized. It's the perfect size for storing logs without taking up too much space. Overall, it's a well-made and practical solution for firewood storage. I highly recommend for anyone looking to keep their wood dry and tidy.